Yeah,
Okay,
I'm gonna
I'm
axe this
recording.
bot. It'll
Okay.
take more
Let's
time,
see.
so we don't
we'll
have
just
that.
we'll just get rid of this whole old
Mixes
system right
14
here.
minutes. All right. Well, this is gonna take Molly a hot second to get back in here. Unfortunately, there was a mix-up with a graphics card. Oh yeah, I should probably go into Shout. Unfortunately, there was a mix-up with a graphics card, and Miss Molly is disassembling and reassembling her computer for probably the third time today. Great.
Oh no.
Anyway, we're just gonna start the event, and we're just gonna carry on. It's not starting too terribly late. Generally, it starts around 7:30. So we're gonna bring. In what order does this go? I'm not sure.
Whichever one you
It's
want.
top to
Top to
bottom.
bottom.
Top to bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is would you be able to put you want to go last? Okay. I guess we'll just do it as things are showing up. So if Random, if you want to come up here and show off Avatar, that would be fantastic. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So I know what you're thinking. This avatar is too high poly. Like, this is way too high poly. This is not very performant. It's already a head and hands, but it's not the most performant thing in the world. So I did a thing, and my new main is only 216 triangles. Ta-da! It's got like a thumbs up gesture and everything. Whenever I touch my triggers, the hands spin. And yeah, and I just showing off the new main avatar. Woo!
It looks amazing. Woo!
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
That was fast. Dave, you're next. Dave the Turner with Image Fixer mod.
For those of you who may not know me, I'm a 3D stereo photography enthusiast. It's a passion. And so one of the things that I've learned about 3D photography in Resonite is that when you take a picture, generally there's a good side and a bad side. So if you make a 3D picture and you look at it, one side will look pretty much normal 3D, but when you turn it around, it's like looking on the inside of a statue. You're looking inside out. And that's one of the things that drives people crazy about 3D in Resonite. Well, I had somebody build a tool for me that I can use, or anybody can use. So when you take a 3D picture, you can just shoot it with this tool, and it makes it so both sides are the good side. So there's no bad side. So then I was talking to a fairly new user the other day. His name is Tobbs, TBS, and he's really smart, and he builds mods. And I said, hey, could you build a mod that does this? So he did. He built a mod that makes it so that when I take a picture now with any Resonite camera, it comes out automatically with two good sides. And I'll demonstrate that. I'm going to take a picture of you all. Woo. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture, and many of you have seen what I'm talking about, where I've demonstrated it, where you bring out a 3D picture, and it's got a good side and a bad side. Now look at this one. This one has two good sides, straight out of the camera.
Yay!
Mm,
And it works.
Wow.
It works with a finger camera, and it works with the Resonite camera, the old one and the new one. As far as I know, it works with any Resonite camera. So anyway, the URL for the mod, or I'm sorry, the mod is over there on the wall. You can just I don't know, if you know how to install a mod, you can just install it, and everything looks good. Now, one other thing is that it works well on 2D as well. I mean, if you make a picture that's not 3D, it will also have a good side and a bad side. Of course, the bad side doesn't look like an inside-out 3D. It's just everything is backwards. So if you're taking a picture with text on it, for instance, it'll all be backwards. If you're taking a picture of a bunch of people in a room and you turn it around, everything's backwards, including the name tags and everything. So if you install this bot, it fixes that. So the picture is good no matter which way you look at it. Anyway, I thank Tobbs for that. He did a great job. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Amazing. All right. Thank you very much, Dave.